Good morning, all of you. Am I audible? Audio, video clear? Please mention. Hello. Those of you are live, please mention in the chat whether audio video is clear. Those of you are live. Good morning, one and everyone. So let us start. More update about Unacademy Plus Iconic subscription and the difference between them is given here, and the details of taking Unacademy Plus subscription. Use the referral code CC10 live to get a maximum discount. 20% discount you will get if you are taking subscription from today to Thursday. There's a special offer running. So let us start. Data interpretation questions we are discussing. We are starting with this question, and all of you please invite your friends, let more people join. This is a free course on the topic data interpretation, and this course is equally useful for many competitive exams, CSIR also, GATE also, and other competitive exams also. And we are taking questions from previous CSIR NET question papers and GATE question papers. So this is a question came in the 2020 GATE exam. All of you make a try. I'll give you almost 2 minutes. Try it and poll your answers, all of you. Any answers? Please respond. Did you got the answer? If got the answer, mention what is the answer. If not got the answer, you can mention whether understanding the question was difficult or you need more time. Please respond so that I can start explaining after that. Not getting D option. Okay, we'll start explaining. So it's a very good question, pie chart related question. Pie chart questions we haven't discussed much, so we start with a pie chart question today. Two pie charts given at the right show the data of total students and only girls registered in different streams in a university. So this is actually the pie chart related to total students, and this is the pie chart related to girl students and how they are distributed: arts, management, science, commerce, engineering. In these 5 streams, how they are distributed, that percentage is mentioned, and total students, how they are distributed in these 5 subjects is mentioned in this. If the total number of students registered in the university is 5,000, that means this is actually the distribution of 5,000 people. This is the distribution of 5,000 people, that is a meaning. Total people in the university is 5,000 and girls is 1,500. So this pie chart is actually distribution of 1,500 girls in this university. Is this much clear? If that much is clear, what you need? Ratio of boys enrolled in arts. The problem is pie chart related to boys are not present in the question. Yeah, here you should assume that there are only boys and girls in this university. So total students, how to find boys out of it? Subtract the number of girls. So yeah, nowadays actually in universities also it is not boys, girls. You can mention if it is transgender also, but the problem with the competitive exam questions is competitive exam still consider only 2 genders. That is a sad thing, but we can just assume boys and girls are the only 2 genders present in this university, and with that only we can get the answer here. So girls in the total girls is 1,500. So total boys will be 5,000 minus 1,500. 3,500 boys are there. Okay, before that what you need? Boys enrolled in arts. How you can find boys enrolled in arts? Total people enrolled in arts is 20% of 5,000. Total is 5,000 means 20% of 5,000 or 5k. And girls in arts is 30% of 1,500. Are you all understanding? So the difference of 20% of 5,000 and 30% of 1,500 will be boys in the university. Boys in the university. 20% of 5,000 is 10% is 500, 20% is 1,000. 30% of 1,500, 10% is 150, 30% is 450. The difference between those two will be the boys in arts. So boys in arts will be, boys enrolled in arts will be how much? 1,000 minus 450, 550. And girls enrolled in management. What is the girls enrolled in management? Girls enrolled in management means from this we can find management 15%. Total girls is 1,500. So 15% of 1,500 will be girls enrolled in management. 15% of 1,500 will be, 15% of 1,500, 10% is 150, 15% will be 225. Mental math will help you to do that faster. So we got both the values what we needed. Both the values means 550 is the boys enrolled in arts, boys in arts and girls in management. This is what you need to take the ratio of. Boys in arts is 550, girls in management is 225. So cancelling the common terms, 25 is common. When you cancel it, you will get 22 by 9. Option D, 22:9 is the answer. Please respond, all of you, is this clear or not? How option D is the answer? It's a very good question, right? Some of you got option D, very good. Others, is it clear? Please respond, is it clear or not? Then let's discuss a question where data representation tool as such nothing is there. It's a plain data. You need to interpret the data and answer it. And it is related to accuracy and precision. So make a try, all of you. What is accuracy, precision, I will teach you, but make a try once. Many of you are already clear about accuracy, precision, I guess. Because in all sciences, accuracy and precision are very important. B option and C option. Let's see which is correct. All of you tried? Okay, so I'll explain. The length of a rod is measured repeatedly by two persons. Person A reports the length to be 1002 plus or minus 1, while person B reports the length to be 1001 plus or minus 2. 1002 plus or minus 1 means 1002 is the value he told, and he is telling like it can go up to 1002 plus 1 and down to 1002 minus 1. That is the idea. So the error that may occur. So the person B reports the length to be 1001 plus or minus 2 centimeter, means it can go down to 1001 minus 2 up to 1001 plus 2. That means person A is telling that the range of the answer is 1001 to 1003. Did you all understood that? 1002 minus 1 is 1001, 1002 plus 1 is 1003. Now what about B? B is telling 1001 plus or minus 2 centimeter. 1001 plus 2 is 1003. 1001 minus 2 is 999. So this is what B is saying. The answer will be in this range. It is known from a more reliable method that the length is 1000.1 plus or minus 5. That means the actual length is 1000.1. This is the real answer. Plus or minus 1, plus or minus half means minus half up to 999.6 up to 1000.6. Anyway, the correct answer is 1000.1, we can say roughly. So by this idea we need to check. If you check all four options, all four options are checking A or B which is more accurate, A or B which is more precise. So you should know first what is precision and accuracy. Precision and accuracy. I will explain it very simply. Precision means in the range of the answer, how small it is. More small the range, more precise the answer. Yeah, in common language also we use na. Be precise. Be precise in your opinion. Or like if someone is telling about their opinion about something, when they tell everything about everything not connected also related to that issue, you will say be precise. Be precise means to the point, we can say, to the point. I think you can get the idea clearly what is precision now. So in a smaller range, that is precision. This range is of 2 units na, 1001 to 1003 number line represent किया तो 1001 ये है तो 1003 ये होगा तो between 1002 भी है. So this is the range of 2 units. But what about 999? 999 is even before. 999, after that 1000 is there. So this 999 to 1003, 4 units are there. So more precise, more smaller range. Smaller range is 1001 to 1003. So definitely precision A ka hoga maximum. More precise is A. More precise is A. Did you all understood what is precision? More precise. And moreover, precision have nothing to do with the correct answer. Precision have nothing to do with the correct answer. Accurate or correct answer is 1000.1. If the answer, if your answer is away from the correct answer also, you can be precise. Yeah, you may recollect. You may have some friends in your childhood who don't know the answer at all, but they will precisely say an answer. Like, for example, a teacher is asking a particular question. What is the answer? Like, answer is a number, a fraction. So you say that the answer is between 95 to 105. Exactly I don't know, but the answer is between 95 to 105. Maybe the exact answer is 103, for example. But your friend is saying that the answer is exactly 233.3456. There he is very precise, but not at all accurate. Are you all understanding? But you are more accurate, but not at all precise compared to the other person, because his range is very small. Did you all understood? So being precise does not mean being accurate. Being accurate does not mean being precise. Sometimes both can come together. So here clearly precision is more in the case of A, because that is a smaller set compared to this. But accuracy is always connected to the correct answer. How much correct is the answer? How much near to the correct answer? That is what accuracy is checking. I am telling in common man terms. If you Google, you can get the exact definition of precision and accuracy, but I am telling such a way that you can understand it properly. So accuracy depend करेगा correct answer से. Correct answer is 1000.1 ना. Which set has that 1000.1 or is more closer to 1000.1? 1000.1 means if you plot the number line, 1000.1 is somewhere here after 1000. So in this set, 1000.1 is not at all coming. 1000 to 1001 to 1003, 1000.1 is out of that range. But in the second case, beaker range 999 to 1003, at least 1000.1 is coming now. So definitely accuracy, B will be more accurate. B will be more accurate. Is this clear to all of you? Precision, A is more precise. Accuracy, B is more accurate. So measurements made by B, now check which option is telling this. Measurements made by B are less accurate. No, B is more accurate. Measurements made by A is less accurate. Yes, A is less accurate but more precise compared to that of B. Yeah, A is less accurate but A is more precise. So option B is the correct answer. Please tell me whether this is clear or not. CSIR is asking this question because they want to check whether you know precision and accuracy, because going for research or lectureship, you need to know what is accuracy and precision. Yeah, research, that is like on a daily basis. Research, precision and accuracy is important. And being a professor also, you need to know whether the answer is precise or whether the answer is accurate. Accuracy of B, doubt is there. Now I will repeat accuracy of B. Accuracy of B, 999 to 1003, number line में 999 to 1003 you imagine. 999 उसके बाद 1000 है, 1001 है, 1002 है, 1003 है, natural numbers check किया तो. So ये 1000.1 which is the original answer, reliable method से पता चला correct answer 1000.1 होना चाहिए. वो 1000.1 इसके बीच में है ना, ये B का range के inside है. B cover कर रहा है 1000.1 original value, but A cover ही नहीं कर रहा है. As I told, the example I told you na, the original answer if it is 1000.3, a student saying the answer is between 95 to 105 is better in terms of accuracy than the student who says that 240 exactly is the answer, because 240 and 103 are so far apart na. How much away from the exact answer, that is what accuracy means. How much away from the exact answer. So A is much away from exact answer, or exact value of A you take. A is saying 1002 na, 1002 was much away from 1000.1 compared to 1001, which is more closer to 1000.1. That way also you can interpret. Shreya, option B is the correct answer. Is that clear? Option B is the correct answer because option B is saying A is less accurate. Yes, A is more precise, less accurate, but more precise. Yeah, A is more precise. So both are written in option B. That is why option B is the answer. Clear? I hope it is clear to all of you. If so, let's go to the next question. Try this June 2018 NET exam problem. Try it carefully. Okay, all of you tried. Option D. Along in this lecture we have in this series we have discussed already. Okay, sorry. So all of you are clear now? If you are not clear, I have given the written one second. Written solution also I will show you. Just a minute. So yeah, you can tabulate this data like this, and yes, Raya, exactly. Tabulate this data if you want, and then sum of speeds divided by total time instances, that is 7 instances. So dividing, you will get the answer. As we already have discussed, we will skip it. Then try this question. Sorry, this was also done now. Just a minute. I think one slide is missing. Yeah, very interesting line graph question I will show you now. Try this question, November 2020 problem. This is based on a line graph. This question needs some basic idea of graphs, especially graph related to logarithm also. You can put some dummy values also and find it. But if you know the nature of logarithm graph, it is easier. Okay, C option and D option I can see. Let's see which is correct. Okay, so I'll explain. Most of you got option C, but it is wrong. Let's see which of the following graph quantitatively shows y is equal to x square. Y is equal to x square. That means when y is 1, x square is 1 itself, y is 2, x square is 4, y is 3, x square is 9, y is 4, x square is 16, and so on. Okay, so but here this is x log y graph. X log y graph. How will the x log y graph look like? What is y? X square. So y का जगह x square लिख सकता है ना, log x square लिख सकता है ना. Log x square क्या है? Log x raised to y is y log x now, or log x raised to m is m log x. So log x square is nothing but I can cancel this and write 2 log x. Are you all understanding 2 log x? So x versus 2 log x graph is given. First of all, you should know how the log x graph will look like. How the log x graph will look like. This is a log x graph. So 2 log x graph also, the nature of the graph is same, no? This is the nature of the 2 log x graph. And that is exactly given here. Again, if you are doubtful about it, you can put some dummy values and see. For log 10, 2 log 10, 2 log 1000. The curve will be like this. You can put some dummy values and verify it. Or if you know the nature of the log x graph, that is also enough. Log x graph will be somewhere here. 2 log x graph will be little more higher. That's all. That's why I told you, you should have a basic idea about log x graph and all to do this question faster. Otherwise also you can do by putting x equal to 10, what is log 10, x equal to 1000, what is log 1000. Likewise, you can put the values and draw the curve. Okay, then what about this graph? Yeah, this graph almost all of you are clear. This graph is clearly correct. The exponential curve, na? X square graph. Y means x square. Y is equal to x square, na? X square graph is like this, na? When x is 0, y is 0. X is 0, y is 0. X is 1, y is 1. X is 2. So between the difference between x and x square will get exponentially large after each value. Isn't it? That is why the exponential curve does make sense. So B graph is also correct. A and B graph is also correct. Now what about option C? Sorry, graph C. Y raised to half. Y is what? X square. X square raised to half. X square raised to half means what? Square root of x square. Square root of x square is x itself. So this is x versus x graph. Linear graph, na? X versus x is directly proportional to x. And it will be 45 degree also. Slope will be 1, na? Tan 45 will be 1. Different ways you can interpret. It will be a straight line because x and x graph this is. Yeah, they have purposefully given y raised to half instead of x because they want to check whether you are able to identify it properly. Y x square hai na? So x square raised to half means square root of x square. Square root of x square means x. So x versus x graph this is. And that is totally correct. x1 hai to y1 hai. x2 hai to y2 hai. x3 hai to y3 hai. Clear or not? So option D, A, B and C, all the 3 graphs are correct. Only 1 or 2 of you got it. D option. I hope all of you are clear now. Please respond. It's a very good question, na? More information I have given here. Check it out. Then try this. We will see one more question like this. Mathematical graphs. These are. So make a try, all of you. different options. Complete the question, all of you. Hello. Most of you got it right. Which one of the following plots? No, not most of you, very few of you got it right. Most of you got a different options. So I will explain how. 1 second. Let me just check the chat. It is not. Okay, it is visible now. A option, B option, D option, many options I can see. So these kinds of questions, the simple thing is like I told in the previous question, y is equal to x means wherever you see y you can put x there, that's a meaning. Y is equal to x na, previous question में y is equal to, sorry, x equal to, y is equal to x square था ना, so x square substitute कर सकता था y के जगह, यहाँ पे x substitute कर सकता है y के जगह. So here y in each of this y axis, y के जगह x substitute कर सकता है and then check. That will become simple then. So y is equal to x means, but in the x axis it is 1 by x. I hope it is visible properly. 1 by x is in the x axis. Option B is clearly wrong because if it is x here, it should be x here for this to happen. As I told in the previous question, linear graph. So this is clearly wrong. All of you understood that, why that is clearly wrong. And what about this? You can put some dummy values and verify this. 1 by x का value 1 by x का value 1 by 4 है तो 1 by 4 है तो x का value 4 होना चाहिए, x का value 4, और 1 by x का value 1 by 3 है तो 1 by 3 है तो x का value 3 होना चाहिए. But that curve is not visible. This is linear like that ना. 1 by 4 4 difference, 1 by 3 3 difference are not same, or that is not reducing linear fashion. So this is a linear reduction, that is not possible at all. It should be an exponential reduction. So that is why definitely this graph is also wrong. And yeah, actually option A is the correct answer. That if you are familiar in your subject part also, I think many of you are encountering graphs like this now. If it is x 1 by x graph, 1 by x graph means when 1 by x is very small, x should be very large. When 1 by x is very large, x should be very small. Can you see that? And it should reduce exponentially like this. So both, all conditions are satisfied. Again, if you are still unclear, you can put some dummy values to verify this. How you can put dummy values? If this is say 0, or if you start from here 1, then 1 by x will be 1 itself. Say this is 1. If this is 2, 1 by x will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2, sorry. Yeah, this will be 1 by 2, and 3 it will be 1 by 3 and so on. So that is making total sense. So option A is the correct answer. Is this clear or not? Please mention. Yes, Shubhankar, mathematically you can interpret like that. Very good, very good. So that was a very good question, previous question and this question. If there is doubt, please specify your doubt. Again, some of the graphs you should know the nature of the graph. That will help a lot in these kinds of question. And technique of using options well also is very important. If that is clear, let's go to the next question. Try this question, June 2018 problem. Pushpendra, first option was, actually one thing you can do is you can invert the axis and check also. Here the main problem here is they have given 1 by x graph. If it was x1 by x graph, it was easier to analyze. This is 1 by x graph, and again simple idea to eliminate options is when x is very large, y should be, or when 1 by x is very large, x should be very small. 1 by 1 crore, then 1 by 1 crore, then x will be crore, 1 crore. If it is 1 by 2, x will be 2 only. That means when x is very large or 1 by x is very large, x will be very small. When 1 by x is very large, x is very small, and 1 by x is very small, x is very large also. X is very large also, so that is also satisfied here. And also that same idea you can use to eliminate this option also. When x is very large, when 1 by x is very small, here look at this. All these cases 1 by x, whatever value of 1 by x, x was same. That is enough to eliminate option D. Here elimination is better. To prove option A, it will take more time. To eliminate other options, it is much easier. For 1 by x, say 1 by 2 also, x is one same value, say 2. 1 by 3 है तो 2 है, 1 by 4 है तो 2 है, 1 by 5 है तो 2 है. So till here there is no significant reduction. That itself is enough to say option D is wrong. Is that clear? Yes, Mahu, that is also justified there. Exactly, Shubhanga. Okay, if that is clear, then try this question. It's a very good question, June 2018 problem. All of you make a try. Any answers? Yeah, little lengthy question. Try it carefully and answer. A option, C option, D option, which is right? Okay, so I'll explain. The distribution of marks of students in a class is given by the following chart. If 3.30 marks is the passing score in 10 mark question paper. So the exam is on 10 marks. Out of 10 mark, if a student get 3.3 marks also, he will be passing. But here look at the marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In natural numbers it is written. So 3.30 above means 4 or above he need to score, or a student need to score, because partial marking, or there is no marking where it can be 4.3 or 3.8 or 3.6. 3.3 above means the people who are passing is these people, 4 mark to 10 mark obtaining people. Keep that idea in mind and read the question carefully. Question is not asking true statement, question is asking false statement. In previous lectures also I told you true, false, correct, incorrect, read it properly. So false statement chahiye. Majority of the students have scored above pass mark. Majority means more than half. That is a clear majority. More than half. Whether more than half people scored above pass mark, first of all you should know total people how much. 10%, 80 people, 10, 10, 80, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. And this is 0. So total people will be sum of all these. Are you all understanding that? Sum of all these? Yeah, I have tabulated it for convenience. 10, 10, 80, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 0. So total is 280. The people who passed, as I told us, 4 to 10 marks obtaining people. That is in the table. This much people. This much people means 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 6 30s are 5 30s. Sorry, 6 30s are there. 6 30s means it will be 180 people. Is 180 more than half of 180 more than half of 280? Yes. 280 ka half 140 hai. 180 is more than that. That is why clearly option A is true. Did you all understand why option A is true? Please respond. More explanation I have given here. लेकिन ट्रू स्टेटमेंट नहीं चाहिए, फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट चाहिए. ऑप्शन ए ट्रू स्टेटमेंट है, इसलिए ऑप्शन ए आंसर नहीं है. ऑप्शन ए आंसर नहीं है. Mode of the distribution is 3. What is mode? Mean, median, mode. We have discussed in chapter average. Mode means maximum occurring observation. Maximum occurring observation. The observation that is occurring maximum number. Observation means here marks of the students. Which is the mark that is occurring maximum number of times? Which is the mark that is occurring maximum number of time? 3 na, because 3 is occurring 80 times. Number of students is in the y-axis. The meaning of this being 80 is 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Likewise, it is written 80 times. 280 marks are there. If you are writing it as a list, you need to write 3 80 times. Other values maximum you need to write 30 times. If you are the teacher in that class, you need to write it 80 times the number 3 itself. So clearly mode or maximum occurring observation is 3. So this is the correct statement. We don't want correct statement, so that is eliminated. True statement nahi chahiye, false statement chahiye. Is this clear, all of you? Why option B is also true and so not the answer? 3 is the maximum occurring observation. So now third option is saying that average marks of passing students is above 55. Passing, I already told you, above 40 is above 4 is passing. 4 or above. Average marks of them. So only this group we need to find the average of. So 4 is obtained by 30 people, 5 is obtained by 30, this also 30, this also 30, this also 30, this is 0. This is 0 means that does not matter. That means we can say, yeah, mathematically speaking, you should do 4 into 30 plus 5 into 30 plus 6 into 30 plus 7 into 30 plus 8 into 30 plus 9 into 30 plus 10 into 0. So total mark divided by total number of students. Average mark means sum of observation divided by number of observation. But sum of observation, weighted average you can find. Weighted average you can find and divide it, you will get 6.5 marks. Did you all understood that? But before proceeding further, here even if you don't use weighted average, only for the separate special case, if you don't use weighted average also, it's okay. In the average chapter I told you weighted average kya hai. Weighted average you learned in school days also. So here weighted average does not matter because 30 is same weightage for all na. So weightage if you don't consider also, it's okay because weightage is same throughout for all passing marks. 4 mark, 5 mark, 6 mark, 7 mark, 8 mark, 9 mark. So 30 से multiply नहीं किया तो भी चलेगा. Just adding 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 divided by 6 because 6 observations are there. That way also you can find 6.5 itself. And mathematically if you find weightage also, Shreya, weightage is important but common weightage, that is why not important. Normally it is important, but here the weightage is same throughout. Mathematically if you consider weightage also, 30 is common, you can take it out and you will cancel that 30 with 30 into 6, that 30 cancels anyway. If the weightages are same, weighted average if you don't take also, you will get the same answer only. That does not mean weightages should not be considered in any question. Only if weightages are same you can do this. Here weightages are same, that is why we are doing that. So anyway 6.5, considering weightage or without considering weightage, you will end up at 6.5 marks as the average marks of passing students. Passing students ka average marks mila 6.5 marks. And what is the criteria, what is the condition told? Is it above 55%? 6.5 marks out of 10 marks, na? Because out of 10 is the exam. So 6.5 out of 10, is it above 55% or below 55%? 6.5 out of 10 is 65 out of 100. That is 65%. 65% is clearly above 55%. So option C is a true statement. हमें true statements नहीं चाहिए, false statement चाहिए. So 3 statement true है तो confirm remaining statement false होना चाहिए ना, क्योंकि एक option सही होना ही चाहिए. So definitely option D should be the answer, but let us verify. Average marks of students who failed. Students who failed are the students, these 3 category students. 1 mark obtaining students, 2 mark obtaining students and 3 mark obtaining students. In the table, these 3, first 3 rows. So there you have to consider weighted average itself. Why? because the weightages are different. 1 mark obtained by 10 people, 2 mark obtained by 10 people, 3 mark obtained by 80 people. So 1 into 10 plus 2 into 10 plus 3 into 80 equal to 270. Is that clear? So total marks of failing students, total number of failing students is 100. So 270 by 100, 2.7 mark. Question is saying that is about, below 20 percentage. 2.7 out of 10 is 27 percentage. 27 is not below 20, it is above 20. About 20. That is why option D is false statement. False statement is what you need, so option D is the answer. Is this clear? All of you please respond. Thank you, Alok. So option D is the correct answer. Very good question, no? Little time consuming question, but good question. Then try this question, a bar chart based question asked in previous GATE exam. Have we discussed this question in this series? No, right? Yes or no, please mention. No. Okay, then try it, all of you. Okay, many of you got option D, some of you got option C. Let's see which is correct. The number of students passing or failing in an exam for a particular subject are presented in the bar chart. Students who pass the exam cannot appear for the exam again. Students who fail the exam in the first attempt must appear for the exam in the following year. Students always pass the exam in their second attempt. Number of students who took the exam for the first time in the year 2 and year 3 respectively are. first time exam attending students, not passing students or failing students. So understand clearly what the question is asking. So first of all, year 1 में total कितना students है? ये तो past students का number है, ये shaded line, and this dark shaded regions are past students number, dark region are failed students number. So 50 plus 10 total 60 people are there in year 1 to write the exam. 60 plus 5 65 people are there to write the exam in year 2. 50 plus 3 53 people are there to write the exam in year 3. This is clear to all of you now. Students who fail the exam in the first attempt must appear for the exam in the following year. That means year 1 में 10 students fail हुआ, so they are also included in the 65 people. They are also included in the 65 people, or we can say the 65 people can be divided as 55 new students and 10 arrear students, or 10 students from the previous year. Did you all understood? क्योंकि ये 10 students confirm year 2 में appear करना है. That is what the question is saying. So वो 10 students के बाकी 55 students new students है. So 55 होगा year 2 में fresher students who took the exam for the first time. So 55 first answer होना चाहिए. 55 first answer होने वाला एक ही दो options है. So बाकी दो options eliminate कर सकता है. सेम आइडिया अगला ईयर के लिए अप्लाई करो. ईयर 2 में 5 स्टूडेंट्स फेल हो गया, वो 5 स्टूडेंट्स ये 53 में है ना, एंड रिमाइनिंग आर 48 स्टूडेंट्स हु अटेम्प्टेड फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. सो 48 शुड बी द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स अटेम्प्टिंग द एग्जाम इन ईयर 3 फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. रिमाइनिंग 5 आर न्यू स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम ईयर 2. So clearly option D is the only answer satisfying both. Is this clear or not? Please respond how option D is the answer. If that is clear, let's move on to the next question. Just a minute. Try this question. Another similar question asked in a previous GATE exam, 2020 GATE exam. Make a try. Try it, all of you. C option and D option. Let's see which is correct. The bar graph shows the data of students who appeared and passed in an examination for 4 schools PQRS. Average of success rates of these 4 schools is average of success rates. So what is success rates? Success rates in percentage. Yeah, rate of success, no? Rate of success means in one of the previous class we discussed, last to last class I guess, winning percentage. Seats won out of total seats contested, that question we discussed, election result related question. Same way success rate यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Passed students out of appeared students into 100 ना, passed by appeared into 100 mathematically speaking. So school P का success rate will be 280 by 500 into 100. Did you all understood 280 by 500 into 100? That is 28 by 50, that is 56 by 100. It will be 56%. You can calculate it. School Q ka 330 passed students out of 600, that is 33 by 60, that is 33 by 60 will become 55%. And this is 455 by 700. 450 by 55 by 700 will be 420 plus 35. 420 is 60, 65%. And this is 240 by 400, that is 24 by 40. 24 by 40 is same as 40%. Sorry, 60%. 60%. So the success rates are 56, 55, 65, 60. Average of this is what you need, that is 56 plus 55 plus 65 plus 60 divided by 4. When you average it, you will get 59. So option C is the answer. Yeah, listen one thing. Average of success rates does not means total passed students by adding these 4 divided by total appeared students into 100. No. Average of success rates means success rates का average है, total students का average नहीं है. So that is why MOVU percentage fast mental arithmetic techniques are there. 10% of a number is shifting a decimal to the left. 1% is shifting 2 decimals to the left. Then combinations of this can be used to find percentages faster. There are many lectures I have given on Vedic math series where I have explained how to calculate percentages faster. Any of you want to check it out, you can just search Vedic Maths with Christy Varghese in Google. You will see the playlist where I have given it, or in the Unacademy special class platform also I have given many lectures on that topic. So if that is clear, let's go to the next question. Try this question. One second. Try this. Yes, Shreya, this is also a GATE question, 2020 question asked in GATE exam. Two of you got it right, others try it fast. Okay, so all of you who are live now, if you are thinking that this session is useful, do share this video to your friends, live or recorded, they can watch, and also do hit the like button. That will help YouTube to promote this video to more and more people, so that more and more people can watch this session. And also invite your friends to the upcoming classes. Tomorrow 11 a.m. also the next lecture with more questions on data interpretation will continue. And before going to the solution of this question and next question, just an information passing to all of you. Unacademy Plus subscription courses are available, and Unacademy Iconic subscription courses are there. That is where I teach the entire syllabus of CSIR NET Part A section in detail. And there's a good news for all of you, that if you are planning to take Plus subscription today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow or Thursday, you will get 20% off on your subscription if you are using the referral code CC10 live. So this is an offer starting from today, 27, 28, 29, 30. So normally it is 10% off on your subscription, but this is 20% off on your subscription for these 4 days. So make use of that opportunity to get more discount on your Unacademy Plus subscription. So this one single subscription is enough, not only for my courses. There are 55 courses of mine. Any of those courses you can watch: CSIR NET courses, GATE courses, DBT courses, Vedic math courses, all of them, and also hundreds of subject courses. These are the CSIR NET courses currently I am running. And the new version of CSIR NET course is starting from July 1st week. So if you are taking Plus subscription now, you can start from the beginning. July 1st week onwards, the detailed course on CSIR NET Part A section, that is a complete course. These are the speciality of the course. This is the details of the current course. The new course is starting from July 4th. You can be part of that July 4th course. The timing will be 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. 8:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. and it's a full-length topic-wise course, and complete theory will be discussed. Previous year questions and practice questions, topic-wise discussion will be there, and free study materials as PDF after every class. The notes and whatever I am teaching as PDF you can download for free. And also this is equally useful for life science, physical science, mathematical science, chemical science and earth science students, and this course is useful for other exams also. So to access this course, you can use the code CC10 or CC10 live to get maximum discount to take Unacademy Plus subscription. And this is more details of the course, and this is the complete schedule of the course. 60 lectures are there of 1.5 hours each, where the entire syllabus of CSIR NET Part A section will be covered in detail. And if you want more learning on any topics, capsule courses of all topics are available as recordings, where any topic, for example in complete course a topic will be covered in 3 lectures, means in the capsule course that same course will be covered in 7 lectures or 8 lectures, so that you can learn in detail any particular topic you think that you need more learning or more practice. Capsule courses are also available, and as I told, the GATE courses, DBT courses, Vedic math courses also you can access by this subscription itself. And this is how to take an Unacademy Plus subscription, and access all CSIR NET courses. Okay, that is the information, and then let's come back to the question we are discussing. Okay, this question, what is the answer or how to do the question? The following figure shows the students enrolled in 5 years 2004 14 to 18, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 for two schools P and Q. During this period, the ratio of average number of students enrolled in school P to the average of the difference of the number of students enrolled in school P and Q. Average of the difference, that part you should be very careful. Average of school P students are 3 in 2014, then 5, then 5, then 6, then 3. So average of that will be 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3 divided by 5. That is average of P. To the average of P and Q, difference of P and Q. Q is bigger, so average of Q minus P. So average of Q minus P will be what? Difference between P and Q in each year. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 1, this is 1. That is the difference. So difference will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 5. So 5 cancels. This is 23 in the numerator, 8 in the denominator. So 23 by 8, option B is the answer. Is that clear to all of you? (2018) students. Yeah, 4. Sorry, it is 4 here. Yes, this is 4. Yes, Alok. Shreya, that is maybe because the number of students are less. So, thank you, creator. So, if that is clear, let's go to the next question. Try this question. All of you, a pie chart based question. A option, B option. Okay, so I'll explain. The total expenditure of a family on different activities in a month is shown in the pie chart. the extra money spent on education as compared to transport in percent is. So education, it is 15% na, as compared to transport means 10%. We need to compare these two. That is very important. Some of you may have thought that the question is asking the difference between 15 and 10. No, that is not the case. Transport is 10%. 10% is becoming 15%. For example, 100 total value 100 hai to 10% means 10. 15% means 15. So 10 becoming 15, the increase is 5 compared to 10. So 5 out of 10 into 100 is the percentage we need. Final value minus initial value by initial value into 100. That way also you can express it. So 50% will be the answer. Did you all understood how 50% is the answer? Many of you got option A, but option A is totally wrong. It is not 10 and 5, 15 difference. Are you understanding? I will tell you, those people who who thought 5 is the answer. What if the pie chart's total value is 200? Then 10% of transport will be 200 ka 10% 20, or education will be 15% of 200, that is 30. Now the difference is 10 na? So your answer will change all the time when the total value changes. You need a constant percentage increase. It is not asking how much value increase. Value increase you cannot find without knowing total value. As I told, 100 hai to 5 hoga, 200 hai to 10 hoga, 300 hai to 15 hoga. That is not what the question is asking. Question is asking percentage में कितना increase है, increase का percentage कितना है. 10% of a number becoming 15% of a number, always the increase is 50% का, क्योंकि 10% का आधा ऐड करना है ना 15% बनाने के लिए. Got it? Okay, all of you clear? Please respond. So tomorrow 11 a.m. there will be a lecture, data interpretation, and then the next lecture most probably will be Thursday 11 a.m. if possible. Wednesday I will take one session if possible. Hope this session is useful for all of you. If so, please take an effort to invite your friends. We need more people for this session. This is actually the content I am taking in Unacademy Plus platform. Almost 70 to 80% of that content I am teaching here in this YouTube also through this series of data interpretation. So for this we need more people. So please invite your friends. Copy the link of this session and send it to them so that they can also be part of the upcoming sessions also. So thank you for the good words, all of you. Shreya, Movu also. And today 2 p.m. plus course will be there, and to the new students once again reminding, currently 2 p.m. and 8 a.m. the complete course and comprehensive course are running, the full length courses. By being part of the Plus platform, you can be part of my full length courses. And if you are planning to be part of the Plus platform, take the subscription before 30th June or by 30th June so that you will get maximum benefit of the discount, special discount running now using this referral code. So that's it. Thank you all of you for attending this session. Take care all of you. Have a good day. See you all on the next class tomorrow 11 a.m. in the same platform itself. And special classes you can try out. New students, you can check I think in the comment section it may be pinned or not, I'm not sure. It is not pinned, so you can just search, download mobile application of Unacademy and search my name in the CSIR NET educators and find my profile. There are almost 500 free classes. Almost 500 free classes available as recordings which you can watch and learn more. General aptitude, Vedic maths, gauge general aptitude and other general aptitude session. In YouTube, whatever I have given, much more content I have given in the Unacademy free platform. So make use of that. In the description of this video, you may get more information. practice more and math, try to logically understand more, then it is easy. And aptitude section के लिए math is not more important, logic is more important. How much you avoid math, that is also fine, that much, because some questions mathematical solution will be much time consuming than the logical solution. So being best in math is not very necessary in aptitude. To an extent it is needed, because math is a tool needed in general aptitude section. General aptitude is not fully math, only to an extent math should be used, or many cases math you need to avoid to save time. So that's it. Thank you all of you. Take care all of you. Have a good day. Bye bye.